Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed in and have the account that will receive personalized ads. Once done, unlock your device and update the app or OS so options appear. Open the app or website, then go directly to Settings, look for Privacy or Ads. This is where control lives. You need basic permissions granted, location, or search history, so make sure those toggles are available before proceeding to enable personalization. You now locate the Ad Personalization or Ad Settings toggle and switch it on. This activates the mechanism that tailors content. Make sure to permit specific data sources, activity, location, search, and purchase history, because these feed the model that creates relevant ads. Once you toggle, accept any consent dialogues and review data sharing details. If there are sub-options, choose the level of personalization you want. Remember why? More data equals more relevance, but less privacy. You finish by saving changes and restarting the app or browser so the new preferences take effect. Then, make sure personalization is active by checking an ad preview or your account dashboard where it lists ad preferences. If you don't see personalized ads within 24-48 hours, clear cache, sign out and back in, and recheck data permissions and consents. One key troubleshooting tip: if ads remain generic, verify that tracking or activity history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.